Lists have existed on Twitter for over 11 years now, and there are thousands of public lists waiting for you to discover. I'll show you two simple ways you can discover cool public lists so you don't have to spend hours creating your own. Tap on any profile that interests you. Tap on the three-dot menu on top right. Tap on lists they are on. Here you'll find public lists that include this particular profile. If you find a list that interests you, you can follow it. And when you check your own list section, this list will start appearing there. I recently created a public list called Isha, and if you visit lists they are on for all official handles of Isha Foundation, you can find my list there. And if you want, you too can subscribe to it. To find cool lists created by others, simply visit their profile and tap on View Lists. If you find something useful to you, you can follow any public list you discover. Twitter itself will also sometimes help you discover public lists based on the profiles and topics you follow. And just like your own lists, you can pin any public list to your home feed. In the next episode, I'll be sharing top 5 lists everyone must have on their profile. And you don't want to miss this. Now go ahead, discover and follow hidden public lists, and feel free to follow my lists too. Bye for now.